RGB floor lamps are everywhere these days. Seems like every company has one, and on paper, it all kind of looks pretty similar. So what actually makes one stand out from the other? Today we're taking a look at the newer NF04 to see if it performs where it really matters. Welcome to Grizzly Lumen Lab. Let's dominate the dark. All right, before we jump into unboxing, I'd like to thank NEEWER for sending this over for today's review. As always, receiving a product doesn't guarantee a positive review. Everything you're about to see is based on my own experience after spending time with this lamp. This is the front of the box here. Great shot of the lamp itself. 1,000 lumens, so this thing gets fairly bright. I don't know how much brighter it can get compared to other floor lamps. To me, they're kind of all the same and everything kind of blends together. So I guess it really depends on what ecosystem you have. 2700 to 6500 Kelvin in the white temperatures. It's AI smart powered lighting. So you got voice control, text to scene, and pick to scene. I don't know what that is, but it sounds interesting. We're definitely going to be checking that out. Got the side of the box over here, just saying what you can use the lamp for. Bedtime, reading, just background ambiance. Okay, got the back of the box here with the product description. Don't forget to use the QR code whether you have Apple or Android to download the NEEWER Home app. You got the other side of the box here. It has music mode and smart adjustment. I'm assuming that has to deal with the AI powered bot that's on here, but we're about to find out. Let's go ahead and get her open. All right. Right off the bat, you got your LED strip diffuser. You got your top pole, one more pole, and here we go. Two other poles. You got your instruction manual for the lamp. Wow. For being such a small base, I wasn't expecting this thing to be that heavy. The controller is already attached to it, and it looks like if you take the zip tie out, you can remove it if you want to for your control box placement. You got your AC adapter. You got the little brackets that go in between each pole, your screws, and it even comes with a screwdriver. All right, let's go ahead and get it assembled. All right, so if you ever watched a floor lamp video, you already know how it's assembled. These brackets go in between each pole, you put your screws in, and then you put your light strip on. Let's get it assembled. So I could already tell the build quality on it. Everything is good, but the silicone diffuser is seated in there, but there you can see little waves in it. Don't know if I'm a big fan of that, and I really hope it doesn't affect the way the light shines. Let's go ahead and get it plugged in. All right, once you get it plugged in, go to the NEEWER Home app. I already got it added into my ecosystem. You go to the plus up top here, it's going to search for the device. After it finds it, add it, name it, make sure you add your Wi-Fi to it. Okay, I named it NF04. And the reason why I'm doing it in this corner, if you've seen the NF01 video, that lamp is in my boys' room. And I don't really have another corner to put another floor lamp in, so we're just going to end up having to do it here. Okay, this is your illumination section. This thing gets down to 2700 Kelvin. it looks like a really good warm white all the way up to 6500 and anywhere in between. And then you also have your favorite section here of your white temperature that you get to choose from. Okay, you got your color section, nice color wheel here. And I really like this app. Everything's very responsive, very quick. I really like this. And then you can also go to full spectrum here and you can change to whatever color you want. You don't have to stick with the whole thing being one single color. So it's got segmented lighting on here. Okay, let's do green. All right, that looks great. Back to the spectrum. You got a little tab here. And what this does, instead of doing a color wheel, you just move the slider over and it'll change the whole thing at just a slide of the button. You got your saturation, so you can adjust the color setting on here as well. That is a really, really cool feature to have. Okay, don't forget you got your brightness up top here, and let's go down 5%. It really creates a nice glow. I really, really like that in the lower brightness. Sometimes it's nice just to relax and you don't want, you know, all of that just in your face. You got your DIY section here, and you can pretty much create your own effects, your own colors. Up top right here, you can name it whatever you want. Let's just name it GLL, confirm. And then you got your effects setting right here. You can do segmented or the full spectrum. We'll just leave it at full spectrum. We'll choose, let's do trail 2, why not? And then you got your positive and you got your reverse, so it can go up or down, however which way you want to do it. Okay, you can fade to white, fade to black. Let's try that. And let's choose the speed. We'll go up about 3/4 of the way up. Okay. Let's get rid of some of these colors and preview. Oh yeah, that's cool. So let's go back to the effect. Let's go reverse, plus, and preview again. So there's a lot of different ways you can customize this light. You know what? Let's just go ahead and save it. Why not? Okay. So the popular section, this is actually new. I don't remember this on the NF04 video. It's like a share space. So if you got a DIY, you can load it into here, and then you can also search for others' DIYs. If you can't think of anything, you go into the popular section, you can pick something from there. Okay. You got your AI bot up here. Click on that and you tell it what you want it to do. And at the beginning of the video, I said it does picture. So that was a little weird. It's a little different. Never seen that before. So let's just do a preset one that's already there. We'll do effect that beats like the heart. Let's do that. Why not? See what happens. All right, let's go ahead and load one of my pictures in there. Let's see what it does. Done. Hit send. Now it's going to customize something to my logo. Let's give it a few seconds to think about it. Now that is very, very cool. I really, really like that. Awesome. Okay. And before we jump into scenes, at the beginning of the video, I said something about the diffuser being a little bit wavy. It's not affecting the light at all. This thing is really, really bright. So if it has a little bit of a wave in it, I wouldn't worry too terribly much about it. I think it'll be all right. And in all honesty, there's not much I would change about this thing. Of course, with any smart lighting, you're gonna need 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network for the initial setup. And really, for a floor lamp, 1,000 lumens is plenty for a corner lamp. It's designed to really complement the area you're trying to light up. So let's go ahead and get into some scenes. If you'd like to learn more about the NF04, pick one up for yourself. You'll find links down in the description below. Using those links helps support the channel, and I really appreciate it. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new here, and as always, together, we can dominate the dark.
Footsteps echo, streets so cold. A dream I reach for.